Hello students, this is the introduction video of class 6th, right? That is, the chapter name is whole numbers. Okay, so this is the introduction video. So now let us start this chapter introduction, that is whole numbers. Okay, before starting about whole numbers, we should know what are counting numbers. Okay, what are counting numbers? So if I give you anything, you will start counting from 1, 2, 3, so on, right? These numbers are called as counting numbers. Okay, the numbers which are used for counting are called as counting numbers. The counting numbers are also called as natural numbers. They are also called as natural numbers. Okay, so now the next one is whole numbers. What are these whole numbers? If I am adding 0 to set of counting numbers, then they become whole numbers. Okay, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are called as whole numbers. Okay, so these are nothing but whole numbers. So natural numbers including 0. Okay, so if I have a set of natural numbers, so for this set of natural numbers, if I am adding 0, then they will become whole numbers. Then they will become whole numbers. Now let us start with predecessor. So predecessor is nothing but previous number. Okay, so for example, if I have a digit 6, so for this 6, predecessor will be 5. Okay, so in order to get this predecessor, we will be subtracting minus 1. Okay, minus 1 will be subtracted. Okay, for example, I have 200. Okay, so let us take 200 as an example. So what is the predecessor of 200? So for that, I need to do minus 1. I will be getting 10, 9, 1. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 and 1. So therefore, the predecessor of 200 is 199. Okay, now let us see what is this successor. Successor is nothing but the number which comes after, right? Suppose if I take an example of 8, after 8 we will get 9. Okay, so this 9 is called as successor of 8. So I got it by adding 1 to that. Okay, I have added 1 to that, so that I got it as a 9. So therefore, in the successor, we will be adding plus 1 to the given number. So for example, let us take 2500. What is the successor of 2500? So what I need to add? I need to add plus 1. Then it will become 2501. Therefore, 2501 is the successor of 2500. Now, the next concept is number line. So what is this number line? A line of numbers is called as a number line. So for example, this is called as a number line. So on this number line, we will have 0. Okay, we will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have plotted an arrow. That means they can be continued till the end. Okay, so now the line of numbers is called as number line. So now using this number line, we can perform addition, okay, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, let us see step by step how to do this on the number line. Now we will see the addition on the number line. Okay, so for example, let us consider a number 5 plus 3. Okay, these are the numbers which we are going to add. So for that, let us draw a number line. Okay, and see that the distance between the numbers is same throughout. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so the given number is 5. So let us start it from 5. This is 5. We are adding plus 3 to that. So we are moving forward. So 5, this will become plus 1. It came to 6. Again plus 1, it came to 7. Plus 1, it came to 8. So therefore 5 plus 3 is 8. So we are moving forward in the addition. We will be moving forward in the addition. That is, suppose I have given number is 5. So from this given number, as 3 is being added to that, we will move forward one step so that we will get the answer. That is 5 plus 3. As I have plus 3, so this will indicate 5 to 6 will indicate plus 1 step, and 6 to 7 it will indicate plus 1 step, 7 to 8 it will indicate plus 1. So we are adding 3 times, so it will become 5 plus 3 will become 8. This is how addition will be performed. Now let us see subtraction on the number line. Okay, so first subtraction, for that let us consider 9 minus 6, which will be equals to, let us find it out by using the number line. So draw a number line, straight line. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what we are doing, we are performing subtraction, that is 9 minus 6. Okay, so start from 9. So this is 9, right? So move in backward direction, because it is subtraction, it should come back. So how many steps we should come back? 6. That is 9 minus 8, first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is we are moving in which direction? Negative direction, right? Towards our left hand side. Okay, so every time this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. What is the resultant now? After moving 6 steps back, that is 3. So 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. You can check it like this also. Plus 9 minus 6 will give you 3. So our answer is verified. Now let us see the multiplication on the number line. Okay, let us consider a number 4 into 2. Okay, so draw a number line. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 4 into 2, start from 4. Okay, the 4 is the beginning number. So 2 times, that is 4, 1, 2. It will come to 6, leaving a gap of 2. Again 1, 2. So therefore 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so here we have to leave a gap of 2, and it is 2 times, right? This is 1 time and this is the second time. So therefore 4 2s is 8. This is how we will find the multiplication on number line. Now the next topic is properties of the whole numbers. So whole numbers will have the following properties. The first one is closure property. Okay, the first one is closure property, and the second one is commutative property. Commutative property, and the third one is associative property. Associative property, and the fourth one is distributive property. Okay, these are the 4 properties which we are going to learn in the case of whole numbers. Okay, now let us learn in detail about them. Now let us discuss the first property, that is closure property. So what do you mean by closure property? That is, when we add or multiply, two whole numbers, the result will be a whole number. The result will be a whole number. And this is possible only in addition and multiplication. This is possible only in addition and multiplication. Okay, let us see that a is one whole number and b is one whole number. So when I'm multiplying them, I'm getting the resultant as c, which is also a whole number. Okay, similarly, if I add a plus b is equals to c, that is, this is in the case of a multiplication and this is in the case of a addition. Okay, so now let us take an example and verify these two. Okay, the first one is, let us take a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. Okay, so first let us verify addition, that is, in the addition what we need to do, 3 plus 2, a plus b is nothing but 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. So 5 is a whole number. Okay, now let us see in the case of a multiplication, a into b, that is 3 into 2 is 6. 6 is also a whole number. So this closure property is only possible in the case of addition as well as multiplication. Now the second property, that is commutative property. Okay, so this commutative property is nothing but, when I consider, in the case of addition, let us see, when I consider a plus b, this will be equals to b plus a. Okay, if a plus b is equals to b plus a, then we call it as commutative property. Similarly, in the case of multiplication, a into b will be equals to b into a. A into b will be equals to b into a. This is in the case of a multiplication. Let us check how it is verified. So first case, that is addition. Let us consider a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3. That is, let us find out a plus b, that is 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. Okay, now if I do it b plus a, then it will become 3 plus 4, which is also equals to 7. So from this what you can conclude? We can conclude that a plus b is equals to b plus a. The next property is associative property. Okay, so what is this associative property? So let us consider a, b, c, three whole numbers. So this associative property in the case of addition, that is a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. That means I am changing the order here. Here I am adding a plus b together, whereas here I am changing the order, that is b plus c together. Even though if I change the order of addition, the numbers, that is LHS and RHS, will be equal, then that is called as associative property. Okay, let us verify this by taking certain values. A is equals to 3, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 5. Okay, so a plus b, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is equals to 3 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12 is equals to 12. So therefore the associative property is, for addition, a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Now let us see for multiplication. That is, let consider a, b, c, three whole numbers. Then a into b into c will be equals to a into b, a into b into c. Okay, let us see for multiplication now. By considering same numbers, a is equals to 3, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 5. So 3 into 4 into 5 is equals to 3 into 4 into 5. So 3 4s is 12, 12 5s. Here 3 into 20. 60 is equals to 60. So therefore, hence the verified by multiplication, that is a into b into c will be equals to a into b into C. The last property is this distributive property. Distributive property. Okay, so this is also called as multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Okay, so how to do this is, for example, A into B plus C, which I can write as A into B plus A into C. Okay, A into B plus A into C. This is only called as distributive property. Okay, this distributive property will be used for finding the big calculations. For example, I have 728 into 1001. So in order to find out this multiplication, I can use this distributive property. That is, I can write this as 728 into 1000 plus 1. Okay, I am writing it as A into B plus C, which is nothing but 728 into 1000 plus 728 into 1. This will become 728,000 plus 728. So my answer will be 728,728. That is 7,28,728. So this is how distributive property can be used for making the calculations simple.